Michelle with Pink and Main. Merry Christmas. It's December 25th and it's time to open day 25 of our Advent calendar for 2024. It's the last little gift to open and I can't wait to see what's in store. Let's get started. All right, it's time to open day 25. I hope you're having a wonderful Christmas. All right, check this out. So this is Share the Joy sticky notes. So it's a package of sticky notes, and we also have a special coupon just for you guys that's in the back. Have you used your coupon that you got on day 1? It expires December 31st, so be sure to use that coupon before it expires. And this coupon is good from January 1st to January 31st. So you have all of next month that you can use this second coupon. And the second coupon says for every 2 items you order, the third will be half off. How super exciting is that? Okay, back to the item for day 25. I love these. These are so adorable. Let me open these up and show you what Share the Joy sticky notes are. So it's a little pad of sticky notes, just like Post-it notes. They've got removable adhesive on them. So you take one of these off when you make a card and you put it inside the card for the recipient. You can sign and put your message here in all the white space. And then at the bottom it says, I made this card with joy in my heart. Now that you have smiled, remove this sticky note and share the card to cheer another. So it's all about sharing your cards beyond the first recipient. So you give a card to someone with the sticky note in it. They can remove the sticky note with your special note on it and keep it. But they have a card now that they can share with someone else. I love that idea. Thanks so very much for joining me today for opening day 25 of our Advent calendar for 2024. I want to thank you all so much to those who purchased the Advent calendar, either in a pre-order in July and you waited all the way to November to receive them, or those that were able to get it in November when we had the ones that were left over from the pre-order for sale. We appreciate everyone's purchase. We had so much fun designing and planning what's going to go in the calendar with anticipation of how excited you would be when you open them up. And I surely hope that you've enjoyed everything that you've opened. I hope that you've been creating too, or perhaps the holidays are just a bit too busy to create, but I made it a birthday theme so that you can use it all year long. We all could use more birthday cards, right? So thank you for your support of Pink and Main and our Advent calendar. I hope that we'll be able to do again next year for you because it's super fun. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas if you celebrate. And I also want to wish you all the best for 2025. I can't believe a new year is upon us, but I wish you all the best. So thanks again, and we will be back soon with more videos, and I'll see you soon, my friends. And until then, keep living the creative life.